So guys, make sure to stand till the end, because if you make one common mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stand till the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger the generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have one of those, if you want to see which fuses and relays control the crankshaft position sensor, which fuses correspond for it, if you have problems, code related to it, always check these fuses. In addition, if you need to buy replacement parts or tools at a good price, we'll share the information in the video, that way do not waste money and time. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So guys, where you can expect to find them? Those fuses, relays for crankshaft position sensor. By the way, if you guys want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor on a car, it's not very complicated. That way you don't have to waste your money on buying a new one. We will have videos on our YouTube channels how to test crankshaft position sensor. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. What we need to do now, we need to open the hood. Then when you open the hood on the passenger side next to the engine, you have a fuse box. Here you have a couple of tabs, push them together, pull the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. What we need to check here guys, multiple fuses. Why? Because nobody practically knows, from what I understand. I didn't find any information about exactly which fuses are for the crankshaft position sensor, so we need to check all engine management fuses and relays. In this row of fuses here we need to check fuse 31, that's one of them. You need to check fuse 34, fuse 35 right here, fuse 37, relay 63. The next step will be to open the trunk. There, leave the carpet liner on the back side. Underneath you have a spare tire, and on the right side, on the passenger side, you have a car battery. Behind it is the main trunk fuse box. That's a closer look. Squeeze the tabs together, pull the cover out, and you have that layout here. We need to check relay 29, and some models may have relay 14 here as well, that you will need to check on your Dodge Challenger. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones, put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.